welcome. Today we're going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi disconnecting randomly on Windows 11. So, the first thing that you need to actually do is to open the device manager. So, open the start menu and then search for device manager. As you from here, you need to click on it. And from here, you will see the network adapters. You need to just open it. And now you need to find the Wi-Fi adapter. So sometimes it will be Realtek and sometimes it will be Intel. So you need to find this Wi-Fi adapter as see from here. And now you need to right click it and update it. Click on search automatically for updates as see from here. So now it is telling me that I have installed the latest update. So sometimes you can't find the latest update through this way. So you can just click on browse manually and you can download it online using the Intel drivers. So just search for Intel latest Wi-Fi drivers for your specific laptop and you can find the right drivers. After you have successfully updated your drivers, you can just open the start menu again and search for view network. As you from here, view network connections. You need to click on it and now it will show you all the network connections you have. You can just right click on your network connection and go to properties. So from here you need to find the IPv4. As you from here, click on properties and from here instead of clicking on obtain DNS server address automatically, you can just click on use the following DNS server address. And from here you need to write 8888 and then from here 8844. Hit on OK and now sometimes it will fix the issue. So after that, the last thing that you can do is to just open the settings. You can open it from the start menu and searching for the settings, or you can find it from here. So now you can go to the updates. I'll see from here, just go to Windows Update and you may find actually new updates for your network adapters from here. Sometimes you will find good updates that will fix your issues. Also, you can just go to troubleshooting, search for troubleshoot settings, click on other troubleshooters from here, and now you will find network and internet troubleshooters. You need to click on run. So now you can actually run all the network tests from here. Also, you can restart your network adapters, reset everything. Also, if nothing actually helped you, you can actually connect to Microsoft support. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.